How to do anything television brings you a new video to show you guys in this tutorial 5 different terminal commands for beginners using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the terminal command prompt which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the terminal command prompt, search for this, enter to open up terminal. Let's now increase the size of the terminal window. Command plus a couple of times to increase the text size. First command, ls, which will list everything in the current directory that we are in. I want to, let's just say, change directory. This will take me back to the original directory. If we were to go up one directory, let's now change directory into the desktop folder. CD desktop, tab, enter, ls, and now we are currently in the desktop. Let's now go back one via CD, ls. We are now back into the home directory, so we have used ls, CD. Now let's print working directory to confirm that we are in users/ComputerScienceVideos. If I were to change directory back into the desktop, ls, and now print working directory, this will then show the file path of users, ComputerScienceVideos, and then desktop. Now let's move on to the next terminal command, which is make directory, folder, enter, and then we can see on the desktop the folder called folder has been created. Now let's go into that folder, CD folder, ls, and that folder itself is empty. Let's now create a text file, touch, file.txt, enter, and now if we, let's just say, go into that folder itself, ls, we have file.txt. Let's now change directory, clear all the contents. We can now exit out of the terminal. Let's now quit terminal. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.